Hey everyone, Amtrak NCSX Griffin here. We got Amtrak 63, close to like 1237. I don't think we're gonna have my friend on the helm today. I hear a different voice on the radio, so it could be a different guy. Or my friend could still be on it. He just might be having a training session with the other guy who's practicing on the radio, saying the mileposts and stuff. Or if my friend's on vacation, probably someone else is probably substituting for him because I hear a different voice on the radio. Sounds like. And anyway, here they come anyway though, and they'll probably have 93 or 92, one of those units probably.
over 24, leader 253, 180 over. All clear, okay, last signal.